Hi folks, since everybody got sick of my shorts and they don't want to hear about me reading books and being a nice person, fine. Because I still have to get James of Harshman Hills his package. It's quite heavy. I have to write him a nice Christmas card and instructions so he doesn't blow himself up. Also, I still have to write a letter for Common Sense with Elizabeth. She is suffering from radiation treatments. Also, I'm sending her a nice card too. Uncle Alan's very busy. Uncle Alan feeds about 20 people. I'm getting complaints that I'm making him fat. At least they're not starving. This is a continuation of DOE's prediction of 2021. Number 3, we're going to do 3 to 6. Number 3, okay? It's Smurf time for DOE, Liberty and Freedom. It's going to go down the drain. See this? This is going to go out the window. Already did in DC. Springtime, massive poverty wave. You're going to be poor. State and local governments collapse because they're dumbasses. Total insane controls over the populace because they don't know what to do, so they're going to get the thugs out and beat you over the head. They'll take your kids. They're here. People are stupid. Never listen to Uncle Alan. 3, Part A. You are a Smurf. Steve's the biggest Smurf. Smurf time. You have no rights. You think you have rights. You don't. Starting this year, you are a Smurf. The state owns you. Get it through your head. If you live in California, they actually do. Parental rights will be removed. They could fill your kids with brainwashing, drugs, vaccines that haven't been approved by anybody. See Phase 5. Kids are state property. Not your children, not your family, but state property. Get it through your little fat heads. Huge erosion on individual, I can't read what I write. Oh, human rights. Huge erosion on individual and human rights. You're a Smurf. Massive tidal wave of new legislation already in the works. They're outlawing everything. Will be passed at all levels. Mayors, your city council, state, everybody's passing all these weird new legislation at all levels because you're a Smurf. And we know what we do with Smurf. Pound them. Okay? So you take it and you get it up the ass. That's number 3. Now this is good. Number 4. Go check out DOE's thoughts of 2021. It's a good one. I think I last saw it on December 28th. Okay. Function of the banana government. Going to make lots of money for your bureaucrats. All levels, any party. Republican bureaucrats, Democrat bureaucrats, socialist bureaucrats, communist bureaucrats. You're a Smurf. Bend over and take it. Democrats and their Chinese operatives, going to be a great year for them. Big win. See that? Okay. For looting. They're not going to steal color TVs from Walmart. Hell no. They're going to steal everything that you own. Because, again, Uncle Alan says you're stupid. It's going to be a really, really bad year. Okay, see that little cartoon? You. All right. Man and dog will party on full throttle. Excuse me. On full throttle. Jubilee of passing insane legislation, spending more looting of your money. Okay? Printing of fake fiat money like Zimbabwe. You take a look at that. Okay? Disney time for big Democratic parties for those in D.C. this year. Wahoo! They already done that. There will be no guns in D.C. at all, except for their thugs and the people beating your ass. I drink my own poison Kool-Aid. Okay, part B of 4. Bad news for you. Take a good look at that, folks. More taxes on SSI, savings, etc., 401ks, your federal pension. Nice thing about this one, it's 12%. It's going to be 13 in 4 years. Plus, if you're a federal employee or if you're on SSI, turn in your guns. All ex-federal employees, or if you're a federal employee with a pension, turn in your guns. No government shutdowns. Instead, small business shutdowns. Okay? If you're a governor contractor, there's no shutdowns. Instead, smaller businesses, they're going to get shut down. The mom and pop business, the small businesses that worked and have property and own financing, well, you're the sacrifice. Squeal! Okay? And those people who still don't get it, massive pink slips in certain departments. Certain people, because their function duplicate another function, they'll be transferred. Department closings. And of all unions. That's federal, labor, etc. So 2021, you're going to see all the unions go bye. 200% win by Biden. Chinese operates to control the electoral college. Bribes, honey traps, backing, etc. etc. See that? All right. Russia's planning to nuke on China's control of U.S. and Canada. It's time to castrate man and dog. Okay? United Sheep Front. Get them. Read Animal Farm. And I'll be back with part 5 and 6. Bye, folks.